What's up, everybody? This is your DJ Fit for Real, aka Jack of all trades. Right here, I am here. I had to change my starter. My starter stopped working. Here's my new starter, and what I had to do is take off the intake manifold and also disassemble the throttle in order to get to the starter to replace the starter. This is the new starter right here. I traded in my old starter at AutoZone for this new one. So let me give you a closer look. All right, so this is Hyundai Sonata 2018. Had to take off the intake manifold and also the throttle. Okay, the starter sits right underneath the intake manifold. So good luck with myself for putting this back together. I have faith in myself, and I got it disassembled. So the goal is to get everything back and plugged in the way it was. All right, so wish me luck, man. Let's get this going. Let's save a little buck or two. You know, Hyundai and all making models make things impossible to repair for yourself. But if you got a little courage, a little faith in yourself, and you follow the detailed instructions, you can pretty much do anything you set your mind to. All right, so let's get it done. All right, so now I got the new starter in there snugged inside there. Pretty snug. Now we're gonna go ahead and hook up the cables that it came with. Let me hook up the cables here. Okay, now I got the negative wire hooked up to it, and just wanted to make sure before you hook up that negative wire, you gotta make sure that the negative wire is unhooked at the battery. Ooh, the pollen out here is ridiculous. All right, so let's go ahead and hook this baby back up. Let's plug this back in. It should just plug back in. Ready then? All right, I heard that snap. Okay, it's in there like swimwear. All right, here we go. So that's snug back in. Now, the good part is to make sure I plug everything back up and hook everything back up just the way that it was. Let's see if I can get this shit done, baby. Well, got everything working again. Started back in there, engine is working.